Are you a seasoned e commerce captain or just starting your journey in the commerce business? If so, I am here to lighten your load. You're the captain, and I'm your trustworthy first mate. With my support, you can keep your eyes on the horizon of success, knowing that your financial ship is sailing smoothly with the wind of accuracy filling its sails. But before we dive into the business stuff, I want to start by telling you a bit about myself. I'm Janet, a professional virtual bookkeeper based in the Philippines. I can help you confidently focus on success by providing accurate bookkeeping services using the QuickBooks and Xero accounting systems. The services I can offer you to avoid getting lost in the turbulent waters of numbers include updating the chart of accounts, recording cash receipts, issuing customers invoices, collecting receivables on time, posting bank feeds, preparing financial reports, and conducting bank reconciliation. We will use the power of advanced accounting systems like QuickBooks to ensure that your financial records are as precise as a well-tuned compass. I can understand that all the things I've mentioned might be making you feel a little overwhelmed, but guess what? I've got some great news for you. I've set up a link that you can use as schedule of a free consultation with me. Let's chat and make problems together. Furthermore, feel free to take a look at my profile and portfolio, and you'll find my contact details right below as well. The question is, are you ready to team up with me so that you can steer your business towards growth and prosperity? I can wait to connect with you soon. It's going to be fantastic.